Hey guys, what's cracking? It's Dr. Nevel, aka Dr. Ginger Ninja. And today I have Kendra with me. Kendra, tell me a little bit about your history. What's going on with your body?
Well, I used to compete in a lot of fitness competitions, bikini and figure, so I was in the gym a lot, and then I got into doing CrossFit, which then turned into having a bigger ego, which then turned into having just a lot of kinks and things that I need to get worked out.
So in the past, we've treated a few different injuries, but you were just telling me that you have something going on with your neck. What happened there?
Or my 3-year-old slept with me last night, and we shared pillows, so my neck is not 100%.
Okay, so we'll check out your neck and give you a full body adjustment and make sure you're feeling better. Bring the neck back here. You said no pain there?
Nope.
Good. And it just kind of is right all through that shoulder blade coming up into the neck? Mm-hmm. No pain there?
Nope.
And this way? Right, so we'll start off with, let's do a little bit of traction here just to stretch everything out. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're tractioning out her low back, kind of through her mid back here. What that does is a lot of times there's a little bit of compression through the discs, and this just helps decompress those discs and helps traction everything, get those discs full of nice nutrients and new blood supply. Okay, as I start to rotate you like this, is there any pain with that?
Nope.
Okay. Go ahead, take a nice deep breath in, blow it out as I follow that breath down. You still good there?
Yep.
Okay, nice deep breath in again, blow it out, good.
Ooh, yeah.
As I rotate this side, good there?
Yep.
All right, deep breath in, blow it out, let that hip roll. Good. So you tuck your chin, roll you up, take a nice deep breath in, blow it out. Good. Another one, deep breath in, blow it out. Good, beautiful. And that mid-back adjustment really opened some of that up there, where the shoulders were a little bit rounded there. And you're a mortgage broker, correct?
I am.
So on the computer for many hours throughout the day, huh?
9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Ooh. That'll do it.
With breaks in between.
Okay, you're a little locked up right at C6 and 7 down here. So I'm going to get that adjusted. So I'm going to bring your head to the left. In that position. Any pain going from there to there?
Nope.
All right, so we're going to give a little adjustment there to there. Let the jaw relax, let the shoulder relax there. Good. Okay, we got 5 and 6 on the right here. So bring your head this way as I rotate there to there. Feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Let the jaw relax. Good. Okay, with those shoulders kind of rolling forward, I'm going to adjust each shoulder and try to get those set further back there.
Okay.
Across, take a nice deep breath in, blow it out as I follow that breath down. You okay there?
Yep.
All right, another one, deep breath in, blow it out. Arm across, take a deep breath in, blow it out. Good. Any pain there?
Nope.
Good. Another one, deep breath in, blow it out. Good. That one I could feel some of the rib heads moving there. That's what that pop was.
Wow.
You do a lot of barbell work?
I do.
Yeah, that's probably what, that was your lunate that popped there. So probably a lot of the wrist extension with that. Okay, while you're here, I'm going to check out your lower extremities too, make sure everything's moving properly. All right, we're gonna get your feet adjusted. As I pull here, you okay?
Yep.
Here. You okay there?
Yep.
You okay there? All right, I'm gonna do one more and traction out your hips here. As I pull like that, you okay there?
Yep.
Just pull at this angle here, let that hip relax.
I love it when you adjust my hips because I always feel like one's longer than the other. I can feel it immediately whenever I leave. I feel like a brand new person.
Because what happens is that also when those legs feel like they're longer than the other, it's also the pelvis that gets torqued in there as well. So what we're doing is restoring mobility to all that, tractioning out those joints, resetting them so that they start tracking properly. So reach forward and then across there. Good. Forward and across. Go ahead. I'm going to have you go ahead and move that forward and across there. Good. How's that feel? Is it a little tender? Yeah. Hurt so good?
Yes.
Good. All right. And then put your hands on your hips there. Good. I want you to push your elbow straight back against me. Good. Same thing here. When you're working out, I want to make sure that you're really focusing on that shoulder blade stability with people who work out a lot, especially barbells. I find sometimes they end up having shoulder injuries from getting a little bit too rounded, especially if they have jobs where it promotes them being rounded. So you really want to focus on stabilizing those shoulders down and back when you're doing any lifts, especially overhead. Because if you get rolled forward here and you're going overhead, it's a very fast way to injure a shoulder, a neck, tear a rotator cuff. So really focusing on down and back with that. And even with squats, when you're squatting, making sure that you're activating that posterior chain, shoulder blades down and back, otherwise you get kind of rounded as you're going down here. So you want to really be able to sit back into that squat to activate everything. All right, go ahead and stand up, see how that shoulder feels now and that neck feels.
It feels like 80% better.
Yeah, awesome,
Instant.
awesome. Very good, very good. All right, so we'll just kind of continue with some of the maintenance adjustments here and follow up in maybe 2 to 3 weeks. Make sure you continue to feeling better, okay? If you enjoyed this video, check out this chiropractic video or our full playlist below. And if you liked this video, punch that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.